Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix forgot Apple ID email on any iPhone. If you have forgotten your Apple ID email and you want to find your Apple ID emails, let's see how can you easily do that. The first way is that if you have logged into your Apple ID, so you can easily find your Apple ID email, simply open up your settings and tap on your Apple ID here. And here you will find your email if you have logged in your Apple ID, or if you haven't logged in or signed in your Apple ID, you have to open up your browser, and here you have to search for Apple login, and here open first website from here, and here simply tap on the sign in option, and here sign in with passcode. So you just have to enter your passcode here, and once you have entered your passcode, you can easily sign into your iCloud or Apple ID on the web. So you just have to wait for it. So here you can see here's your ID, and from here you can easily look for your email or your Gmail, or if you want. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So here you have to tap on the sign in, and here you have to sign in or use a different Apple account. If your Apple account doesn't logged in, so you have to log in. Go to your login page here, and here if you have remembered your phone number, so you have to enter your phone number here, or if you haven't remembered your phone number or email, you have to tap on this forgotten your password option, and here tap on help someone else, and here you just have to enter the email address or phone number of the account you want to reset. So you just have to enter the phone number which is logged in, or in the backup, or in two-factor authentication you have added to your account. You have to enter the phone number here, and after that you can easily access to your account. Or if it doesn't help, so you have to go for support.apple.com. Here's the website, or you can easily search for Apple support. So once you have to tap on this iPhone option here, or you can select your device from here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the get support option. It's start now. You have to tap on the start now option, and from here you just have to scroll down and then tap on this password and security option. And from here you just have to scroll down and look for the best option. From here is the logging in with Apple account. Simply tap on that, and here tap on this continue option, and here you will get different results. So you just have to scroll down and then tap on get more help, then tap on call us, and here you will get the official support number of your Apple. So you must have to call on this number to call with Apple support team and get official help. So in this way you can easily fix if you have forgotten your Apple ID email on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.